How do you break the status quo? Passion, determination, innovation. When Spaghetti Scametti was founded in 2021, it changed the watch industry forever. Now, we're implementing our most advanced concept technologies into our first groundbreaking public collection. This is Icon. Icon is like nothing you've ever experienced. It's not designed to simply be worn. It's designed to make you think you're superior. Notice the impactful music. That's to convince you something important is about to happen. To re-engage your spending addiction. To move money from your wallet to ours.
You deserve a watch that's built to last. The Icon is made of a cutting-edge next-generation alloy that we're calling Tin Skin 3.0. This precision-engineered material has been handcrafted to provide unrivaled anti-scratch resistant performance. We've done the impossible. We've applied minimalism to durability.
Let your Scametti evolve with you. Expose your timepiece to the elements and watch as it develops a unique, brown, iron oxide patina. If you're lucky, your Scametti may break apart, revealing the innards and creating a brand new skeleton watch for you to love and cherish. If your watch is exposed to water and needs replacing, don't worry. You can immediately head to our website and purchase another Icon timepiece.
Our world-class design team has made a breakthrough in anti-theft technology. The Icon has been carefully crafted to resemble a generic Alibaba watch. With its unassuming appearance, criminals will never steal your affordable luxury timepiece again.
Here at Scametti, our ideas are boundless. Our launch collection features an unprecedented design, featuring an integrated bracelet and an octagonal bezel, boasting a gorgeous glossy finish throughout. The absurd reflectivity may blind your friends and family. Protecting your precious timepiece is our off-the-shelf, in-house Fragilite crystal. While it may be physically and chemically identical to the mineral glass used by everyone else, Fragilite is superior in just about every other way. Do we have the reasons why? No? No. Okay.
In our quest for perfection, we've upgraded the launch collection with enhanced misalignment of hands, logos, and markers, giving each timepiece a unique look and feel, only beaten by watches costing 10 times less than this one. But what powers this luxury timepiece killer? Introducing a remarkable, exclusive Scametti innovation, the luxury Japanese-made Miyota quartz movement.
Ignore the fact this movement costs pennies to manufacture. Citizen makes it. Citizen is a respected watch brand. That makes us a respected watch brand. We'll let you know about it at every possible opportunity.
Miyota quartz movement!
At Scametti, we think differently. Who needs micro-adjustment holes? Our bracelets are built out of low-grade metals that will warp out of shape as your wrist expands throughout the day. To improve flexibility and comfort, try skipping some meals. You won't worry about wrist expansion when you're starving. We've been hard at work developing the infrastructure for our industry-leading 30-second warranty. It's now guaranteed to run out before you finish unboxing.
Spaghetti Scametti goes the extra mile for its consumers. For additional peace of mind, with every purchase, we provide you with undeniable proof that the middleman has been eliminated. Buying your Scametti as an investment piece? Ensure you hang on to the official certificate of authenticity supplied in your box. Secure it to your fridge, wall, or workplace with the magnetic rear, and flex your new purchase on friends, family, and colleagues numerous times per day. If you're worried about the magnet ruining your watch during shipping, don't be. Our watches prioritize neither form nor function.
We know you're desperate to get your hands on your new luxury Scametti timepiece. That's why we're introducing our newest cutting-edge development, Eternity Shipping. Faster delivery leads to faster degradation of our planet. That's why the Eternity Shipping program ensures that your Icon takes forever to reach you, wherever you are in the world, with guaranteed next-decade delivery. This initiative is completely unrelated to our extreme cost-cutting measures. completely unrelated.
With Spaghetti Scametti, you no longer need to choose between price, quality, and style. Do I need to explain why? Convince yourself you're an icon now at Scametti.store.
Your collection is waiting.